Strategic partnerships are when two or more companies share resources and collectively improve results. My name is Michael Barbarita with the Know Your Numbers Minute. I had a client who installed insulation and needed to sell foam insulation in order to compete and survive. It required a $50,000 investment in equipment, and my client had no money and bad credit. I found a builder who had 6 big foam jobs over the next 8 months. We formed a strategic partnership where the builder would invest the $50,000 in foam equipment. We would do his 6 jobs at cost versus retail, saving him $80,000. After 8 months, the builder got his $50,000 back for the equipment and booked $30,000 in cost savings, while my client added $600,000 in sales for being in the foam business. And remember, the most successful business owners know their numbers.